Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I will be teaching you how to get a higher Snapchat score. So let's begin right away. The very first step is to make sure that your Snapchat app is up to date. If not, please go to the App Store or the Google Play Store and update your Snapchat app. Once you're done, you just simply open the Snapchat app, and then if you use iOS or Android, you don't need to worry because this method can work on both devices. And then now, what you're going to do is to make sure to add a lot of person. So to do that, simply click on the add button right here on the upper right, and then add your friends as many as you can or as many as you want. And then let's say, for example, now that you have done adding a lot of person, you just simply go to the camera right here and take a photo or a snap. So I'll just take a photo and then I can add text, scribbles, or whichever I want. So I can just add smiley and then let's say for example that you are contented with what you have made. Click on Send To and choose the person that you want to send. Then let's say for example, I'm done with this. Click on Send on the bottom right corner and then as you look at your Snapchat score, it will gradually increase. So right here, just go back first. It's 29. So if you go to the camera once again and take a photo, click on Send To found on the lower right corner, and then you don't need to choose the person one by one or the group of friends one by one last time. So you can just click on Last Snap, and then it will select all those you have chosen the last time. So click on Send once again on the lower right corner, and then wait for it to load. Just simply refresh and go back to your um, profile, and then you may be able to see an increase right here. So an increase of your Snapchat score. So what can I advise to you is that you need to send them to a lot of your friends so that your Snapchat score will increase a lot faster. So that's it. That's how you can get a higher Snapchat score. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.